Hi people, hi traders. Um, Today I'm excited once more to share an amazing advice to every trader that you're supposed to know. If you want to make impact in your trading career, this is a must for you to watch. All right. But before I jump in, the actual advice that I would want to give you, that I would want to give to you people, I'll be flipping these shots that I've taken some few days ago. All right. Just pay attention and see where we are going. All right. As you can see, this is my first flip. Here is $201. All right. As you can see, here is $113. All right. This was a profit. This was a profit from $100 balance. All right. As you can see, here is $404.50. Here is $383. As you can see, these are the trades. These are the trades. These are the trades. As you can see, all these you see, these are profits. These are profits. As you can check, as you can see, even the dates is showing there, 2022. This was actually August 26. All right. These shots, I took them at 16:21. As you can see right there, the time we're showing. As you can see, there we are, $141. As you can see, these were just three signals. Just three signals. The first signal, it was buy. The second was a sell. The third was a buy. All right. As you can see, I placed my trades right there on top, which were sell, and look at where the market is. As you can see, all right. So now, I don't know if you've seen something here. I don't know if you've noticed something on my trades. I only trade one currency, if not two, one currency. All right, which is gold. And this is what the advice is pointing to. If you want to become a professional Forex trader, you'd need to focus only on one pair. One of the reasons why most traders, they've been having struggles, why people they've been putting effort, but the results they've been getting, they've been actually results that do discourage somebody from trading Forex. The main reason is because of having double visions. What do I mean by having double visions is by uh, trying to analyze the entire Forex market. Guess what? That's not how you make it in Forex. Pick up one pair. If that pair is Euro USD or is GBP USD, stick to that pair. You definitely know how that pair moves on daily basis. The most mistake which most traders make is to have different visions where you want to analyze the entire Forex market. Entire Forex market, guys, is too big. It's too big. You waste time for you to know everything. What you need to do, just pick one pair. Like myself, as you can see, this is just God. This is just God I've been dealing with. And right now, I've known the movements of God. I've known the movement. I've known how it moves. Look, these trades were taken. This were taken on 8 September. All right, as you can see, 105 profit. You see, this one 8 same date 144 profit. As you can see, I guess you can see something here. This was on 29 September, as you can see. All right. So what I'm trying to share with you is be focused. Focus on one pair only and be an expert. You definitely know how that pair behave and you'll be an expert. That's what we call a professional trader. That's what we call a winning trader. All right. That's the advice that I wanted to give you guys who would want to analyze the entire Forex market. It's too big for you. Just focus on one pair. Just imagine for you to know the entire world, it will take you years. But why don't you focus on one place? Why don't you focus on one direction? All right.